Hey y'all, it's Felicia from Sew with Felicia. Let's learn how to sew on bias tape today. Okay, so you take your bias tape and you fold it over about 1/4 of an inch. Then you're gonna sew right down that first crease. Now we're sewing the bias tape onto the right side of the fabric. This is my finished edge. I'm gonna take the edge of that as I'm unfolding it and I'm lining it up with the bottom of my shorts. I'm gonna sew right in that crease there, all the way around. Now I get to my starting point. I'm gonna overlap by about an inch or 1/2 an inch. It's up to you, but I would say overlap by no less than a 1/2 an inch, and then snip your thread. And you'll see how it looks there on the inside. All right, so now what we're gonna do is fold it over. We're still using the preset creases that's already there. We're gonna fold it over, and then we're gonna sew it to the wrong side or the inside of the fabric. You're gonna sew as close to that edge, that the farthest edge now, the other edge that hasn't been sewn. You're gonna sew along that edge, right? Still a straight stitch and go all the way around. Make sure you back tack at the beginning of the end always with your sewing. And then you're going to see here, snip your tails. Slowing down right here so you can see the overlap. Whenever I overlap where I've started sewing and stopped sewing, I overlap by about 1/4 inch to a 1/2 an inch, and here you go, the finished project.